What do you get when you acquire a plant phenotyping system at LemnaTec? Hardware, software, introductory training, analysis development? Let's have a closer look. Hello, this is Markus Jansen from LemnaTec. Whenever you acquire a plant phenotyping system at LemnaTec, you obtain at first visible thing the hardware, of course. You see a plant phenotyping system consisting of hardware where cameras are built in. But there is more beyond the visible hardware part, because our systems always consist not only of hardware, but there is also a lot of software. We provide an introductory training to the system and we develop analysis together with you. Hardware that can be a small-scale, manually operated imaging cabinet for your laboratory, but this can also be a large-scale automated system that is installed inside a growth room or greenhouse. Regardless whether it's a single camera manual system or whether it's a large automated system with multiple cameras, there is always a software package to operate the system. So the Lemna control software where you can do all the settings, and there is Lemna experiment where you store the recordings, the images. You can access them there and you can trigger the analysis there. To program analysis, there are also platforms called Lemna Grid and Lemna 3D. These have specific features. They are user programmable. That means you as a user can do the programming even without having skills in code writing. Moreover, as soon as the system is delivered, the LemnaTec team provides an introductory training to you. This means we explain everything that you need to know, from sample preparation over image recording to image analysis and data processing and data download. Of course, you also get an introduction into the user programmable analytical software packages. Analysis development is also included. This means per camera that is inside the system, per camera type, there is one analysis that we develop together with you. To do all these things, we have a stock of training videos that is stored on the web that you can watch as preparation or as add-on to the training sessions. Taken together, the whole package is much more than the hardware. It's software, it's training and analysis development, all aiming at enabling you to start phenotyping with your new system.